Hola everyone! Today, we're diving into the vibrant and captivating city of Barcelona. Get ready to explore the rich culture, stunning architecture, and lively atmosphere that make Barcelona a must-visit destination. Let's start with the little history of Barcelona. For over 200 years, Barcelona was under Muslim rule, and, following the Christian reconquest, it became a county of the Carolingian Empire and one of the main residences of the court of the Crown of Aragon. From the 15th to 18th centuries, Barcelona entered a period of decline, while it struggled to maintain its economic and political independence. The city began to gain importance again during the Industrial Revolution in the 19th century, being seat to the World's Fair in 1888. Once its influence was recovered, Barcelona returned to its nationalist pretensions, demanding more political freedom and boosting its cultural identity. On the 20th century, however, political repression during the dictatorship of Franco impeded the independence of Barcelona. After the government of Franco, Barcelona recovered its political authority, and the city of Barcelona became one of the most important and attractive in Spain. Today we will explore 5 places that make Barcelona amazing. Are you ready to explore with us? First place is Sagrada Familia. Our first stop takes us to one of the most iconic landmarks in Barcelona, the breathtaking Sagrada Familia. Designed by the legendary architect Antoni Gaudí, this basilica is a true masterpiece. Marvel at the intricate details of the facades, and don't forget to step inside to witness the interplay of light and color through the stained glass windows. It's a testament to Gaudí's genius and a must-see for anyone visiting Barcelona. The second place is Park Güell. Next on our list is the whimsical Park Güell, another creation by Antoni Gaudí. This public park is a kaleidoscope of colors and shapes, featuring vibrant mosaics, winding paths, and the famous mosaic lizard known as El Drac. Take a leisurely stroll through the park, enjoy panoramic views of the city, and immerse yourself in the fantasy world Gaudí envisioned. The third place is La Rambla. Now let's hit the bustling streets of La Rambla, a lively boulevard that's the heartbeat of Barcelona. Whether you're a shopaholic, foodie, or simply love people watching, La Rambla has something for everyone. Street performers, open-air markets, and a plethora of cafes await you. It's a vibrant showcase of Barcelona's dynamic atmosphere. Number 4 is Columbus Monument. As we venture further, we reach the Columbus Monument, standing proudly at the lower end of La Rambla. This towering monument honors Christopher Columbus and his historic voyage to the Americas. Take an elevator to the top for panoramic views of the city and the Mediterranean Sea. It's a perfect spot to appreciate Barcelona's maritime heritage. Last but not least, number 5 is Barceloneta Beach. Our final destination brings us to the golden shores of Barceloneta Beach. Just a short stroll from the city center, this lively beach is the perfect place to unwind. Whether you're soaking up the sun, enjoying water sports, or savoring delicious seafood at beachside restaurants, Barceloneta offers a delightful escape right in the heart of Barcelona. And there you have it, 5 incredible places that showcase the beauty and diversity of Barcelona. From the awe-inspiring architecture to the vibrant street life and relaxing beaches, Barcelona truly has it all. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you next time with a new place.